Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download offline maps on Google Maps. So guys, let's continue into Google Maps. And then click on the profile icon in the right side of corner. Then click on offline maps. Now click on select your own map. Now choose the area you want to download. So I am selecting this area. Now click on download. And as you can see, your map is start to downloading. And guys, the map has been downloaded, and that's it. And that's how you can download offline maps on Google Maps very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.